the Caregiver Connection podcast by Best Care, where we dive into new topics each week, drawing inspiration from our insightful and educational blog posts. We're committed to providing valuable information that impacts both home care clients and caregivers. Without further ado, let's jump into this week's episode. How to get help with yard work. Maintaining independence and continuing to live comfortably at home is a priority for many seniors and adults with disabilities. A well-maintained outdoor space plays a crucial role in this independence, providing not only curb appeal and property value, but also safe access to and from the home. However, seasonal yard tasks such as leaf cleanup, snow removal, and lawn maintenance can be overwhelming or unsafe for individuals with physical limitations. Understanding your options for yard work assistance ensures you and your loved one can continue to enjoy outdoor activities and maintain independence without compromising health or safety. This guide will walk you through various avenues for getting the yard work help you need, from understanding what caregivers can provide to discovering community resources and professional services. Understanding what your caregiver can and cannot do. If you or your loved one receives personal care assistance services, it's important to understand the boundaries of what constitutes appropriate caregiving responsibilities. While light housekeeping falls within a caregiver's scope of duties, it typically refers to indoor tasks that maintain a clean and comfortable living environment. What is included in caregiver responsibilities? Watering plants, indoor and easily accessible outdoor plants, emptying outdoor trash bins, light sweeping of porches or entryways, basic tidying of outdoor seating areas. What is not considered appropriate for caregiver duties? Mowing the lawn, shoveling snow, raking leaves, moving heavy outdoor furniture, and any landscaping or gardening work. Caregivers are not housekeepers or landscapers. Therefore, outdoor maintenance tasks beyond the few listed before will require specialized services that fall outside the scope of a caregiver's responsibilities. How to get help with yard work. Starting your search. When exploring options for yourself or a loved one, make sure you have a clear assessment of your specific needs. Different seasons require different types of assistance. In Minnesota, this could look like: in the fall, leaf removal, gutter cleaning, and winterizing outdoor furniture. Winter needs may include snow removal from walkways and driveways, as well as ice management. In the spring and summer, lawn mowing, basic gardening, and hedge trimming. The key is starting your search early before tasks become urgent. Building relationships with reliable resources ensures you'll have a support when seasonal challenges arise. Finding yard work assistance for seniors through community programs. Many communities have programs for helping aging adults receive yard work assistance so that they can safely stay in their home. Nonprofit organizations that help senior citizens often include yard work programs among their services, particularly during challenging seasons like fall and winter. Community resources to ask for help. Minnesota Area Agencies on Aging. AAAs are regional organizations that provide various services and information for older adults and their families. Faith-based organizations frequently organize seasonal yard work days. Contact a local church and ask about getting assistance. Local Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts may offer service projects that include yard work. High school community service programs sometimes include yard work assistance. Contact the local schools directly to find out. Another simple way to start is to type "free yard work for seniors near me" into Google and reach out to legitimate organizations that come up in any search results. Many communities have established programs specifically designed to help older adults with seasonal outdoor maintenance. Professional services and low-cost options. Free landscaping assistance is often preferred when on a budget, but it may not always be the most reliable route. Professional services may be a better option if ongoing support is required. If you're concerned about the cost, several strategies can make professional help more affordable. Seasonal service packages. Many companies offer discounted rates for fall leaf cleanup or spring cleanup services when purchased as part of a seasonal package, rather than as individual visits. Neighborhood services. Local teenagers or college students often provide reliable, affordable lawn care. Check community bulletin boards, neighborhood apps, or ask neighbors for referrals. Equipment sharing. Some communities have tool lending libraries or neighbor to neighbor equipment sharing programs that can reduce costs if you have family members willing to help with the actual work. Use volunteers for some work. Many families find that combining different resources work best, such as looking for volunteer helpers for seasonal leaf cleanup, hiring a neighborhood teen for summer lawn mowing, and securing a professional service provider for more complex tasks like tree trimming. Safety considerations and setting expectations. After you've secured the help you need, an ongoing dialogue is going to be important. Always prioritize safety and clear communication with the people coming onto your property. Whether working with volunteers or paid services, establish clear expectations about what tasks need to be completed and any specific safety concerns around your property. For volunteer assistance, consider providing refreshments and expressing gratitude for their time. For professional services, ensure they're properly insured and have good local references. Best Care provides senior help at home. For any questions related to family caregiving or connecting with appropriate services, don't hesitate to reach out to Best Care. We're here to help navigate the complexities of care and support for individuals and families throughout Minnesota. Learn more about our services and how we can help. If you find this podcast helpful, share this with a friend, leave a review, and don't forget to subscribe. Contact us today for expert guidance and support. Visit bestcaremn.com. Thanks for listening to the Caregiver Connection.